Kenya is a country located in East Africa and is bordered by the Indian Ocean to the southeast, Tanzania to the south, Uganda to the west, South Sudan to the northwest, Ethiopia to the north, and Somalia to the northeast. Here is an overview of Kenya's geography, history, and geopolitical and strategic importance. Geography of Kenya. 1. Topography. Kenya has a diverse landscape that includes coastal plains along the Indian Ocean, a plateau in the interior, the Great Rift Valley, and highlands. Mount Kenya, the country's highest peak and the second highest in Africa, is located in the central highlands. 2. Rift Valley. The Great Rift Valley runs through Kenya from north to south, forming a dramatic geographic feature. It consists of volcanic mountains, lakes, and vast savannas, including Lake in the World and Lake Naivasha. 3. Coastal region. The coastal area of Kenya is characterized by white sandy beaches, mangrove forests, and coral reefs. The major cities along the coast include Mombasa, the country's second largest city, and Lamu, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its Swahili architecture. 4. National parks and reserves. Kenya is renowned for its abundant wildlife and has several national parks and reserves. The Masai Mara National Reserve, Amboseli National Park, Tsavo National Park, and Mount Kenya National Park are among the popular destinations for wildlife safaris. 5. Rivers and lakes. Kenya is home to several lakes, including Lake Victoria, the largest lake in Africa and the world's second largest freshwater lake. Other significant lakes include Lake Turkana, Lake Nakuru, and Lake Baringo. The Tana and Athi rivers are the country's major waterways. History of Kenya. 1. Early history. Kenya's history dates back thousands of years, with evidence of human habitation found in archaeological sites. Various Bantu and Nilotic-speaking communities inhabited the region, including the Kikuyu, Luo, and Maasai. Colonial era. Kenya became a British protectorate in the late 19th century and later a British colony known as British East Africa. The construction of the Kenya-Uganda Railway played a significant role in the colonial presence. The colonial period had a lasting impact on Kenya's political, social, and economic development. 3. Independence and post-colonial era. Kenya gained independence from Britain on December 12, 1963. Jomo Kenyatta became the country's first president. Since then, Kenya has experienced political and social changes, including the introduction of multi-party democracy in the 1990s. Geopolitical and strategic importance. 1. Regional influence. Kenya is a prominent political and economic player in East Africa. It serves as a gateway to the region and acts as a hub for trade and transportation. Nairobi, the capital city, is the headquarters for many regional organizations, such as the United Nations Environment Program UNEP and the United Nations Human Settlements Program on Habitat. 2. Economic hub. Kenya has one of the largest economies in East Africa and serves as a financial and commercial center. It has a diverse economy, with key sectors such as agriculture, tourism, manufacturing, and services. Nairobi hosts the Nairobi Securities Exchange, which is the largest stock exchange in East Africa. 3. Transportation infrastructure. Kenya's strategic location has made it a transportation hub for the region. It has well-developed road networks, international airports, and the port of Mombasa, which serves as a vital gateway for imports and exports to landlocked countries in East Africa. 4. Peace and security. Kenya plays a significant role in maintaining peace and security in the region. It has been actively involved in peacekeeping missions, particularly in neighboring countries such as Somalia and South Sudan. Through its contributions to the African Union Mission in Somalia, AMISOM, and the United Nations peacekeeping operations. 5. Tourism and wildlife conservation. Kenya's diverse wildlife and natural landscapes make it a popular tourist destination. The tourism industry contributes significantly to the country's economy and helps preserve its natural heritage through national parks and reserves. Overall, Kenya's geography, history, and geopolitical importance position it as a key player in East Africa, both economically and politically. Its strategic location, transportation infrastructure, and regional influence contribute to its significance in the region.